Hi guys, let's talk today about tattoo removal. No laser, no surgery, tattoo removal procedure. I want to share with you so many things. First, I present myself, Linda Paradis, 20 years experience in PMU, and since 2006 developing concept about tattoo removing protocols. I test acid, I test laser, I test chemic acid, saline, and so on. And time after time, I always find that something wasn't perfect, something going wrong. And I always try to find the best technique, the most safety technique that all of us can use it and help people with peace, no stress, and final good result. I'm the inventor of Needle 88, and I'm very proud of that. Not because I invent something, but because these needles help a lot professional in permanent makeup to do nice work and give safety and secure result to their client without any scars, without losing hair, without any kind of reverse problem. I'm in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, with the Beauty Build Academy that I work with them for already many years, and we were very exciting to share in USA the best technique for tattoo removal. What you must know that tattoo removal is something which become indeed. The growth is more than 400% demand in the world. And permanent makeup and tattoo cannot follow these coming years without tattoo removal, because 80% of the people want to make tattoo removal their old tattoo or PMU to do new one. And the best technique is tattoo remove 88. It means using needle 88. And tattoo removal become a must.